Hi guys, and welcome to
Hitch Up and Tow. Today, because the weather's so nice, I thought I'd have a go at changing our friction pads. Now, there they are. I'll get them out. We had a look at a site where you'd normally buy your Bailey spare parts, and these were really expensive. But we managed to get these online for £15. Now, if it's a fail and they weren't worth the money, we will let you know. But for £15, we're going to give it a go. Now, as you see, I've taken the lock off so we can get to the friction pads. What you need to do, well, as far as I'm aware, what you need to do is little plastic covers off each side need to come off. So that's the two covers. In the bag, I'll take the friction pads out. You do get two replacement covers. So I'll just put them there. Now take the old friction pads out, make sure your handle's up. Screwdriver in. And there we go. There's one friction pad out. And the same this side. There you go, that one came out easy. And they are the two friction pads. Now to put them in, very simple. Locate the hole inside and push them through. Might have to get up and go around to do this one. There we go. And that is it. Just put the new covers on. And they are the friction pads installed. Hopefully we've done it right. Like I said, these were quite cheap, so we'll see how they work. We're on the road again tomorrow, so if these are fail, we will let you know. But until then, I'll put the lock back on. I keep these just in case the new ones don't work. I can quickly swap them back over, but I'm not expecting any problems, but we'll see. And there we go, one job complete. Thanks for watching.